this video we will be talking about special product, binomial product. We have distributive law. First, let's discuss distributive law. If you have anything outside the bracket, you need to apply with both term inside the bracket. So 5 times a is 5a plus, and then plus sign is the same as in the middle, and then we have 5 times b is 5b. Now we learn also if we have a plus b and then we have c plus d, two bracket if you want to apply this. So let's take the first term a, apply with the second bracket c plus d, and then we take b plus b and then apply with the same second bracket. So this is how we explain. Now apply a inside, a times c is ac, and then similarly apply a with d, so a times d is ad. Similarly we put this plus sign which is there, and then b times c, bc plus b times d. So this is how we have done. Now we will build on the top of this. Today we will learn about some special product. If you have this a plus b and then a plus b, as you can see they are 100% same two brackets, both of them they are 100% same, a plus b and a plus b, there's nothing change. So according to index law we can write them as 1a plus b to the power 2, because we have 1 and 1, we have two of them, so we write a plus b squared. Now as now according to our old method, this method, if we open this bracket, if we times them, so let's take a and then do with the second bracket, and then this b plus b with the second bracket. So if you open this, a square, a times b is ab plus a ba or ab is same thing, plus, and then b times b, b square. Now if I simplify a square, so a plus ab times ab plus ba is same thing, so we're going to add them together, 2ab plus b square. Now it means if we have a plus b whole square, so we can straight away write this answer. So therefore we can write a plus b whole square is equal to square of the first plus 2 times a times b, I should write times, plus b square. Now if you look here, that's your first term, this b second term, so square of first, square of the second, and then here we have 2 times of first, anything you have in term first, and then times with second term. So it means a plus b whole square has 3 terms now. A square, it has a square, we have b square, and then we have in the middle 2ab. In other case, if we have negative between ab, then we have negative only with 2ab, not square b square, only with 2ab. So this is what we have. Now we're going to try one example. A plus 5 example. According to this formula, so what is our a here? So our a is a plus 2, so 2 is in formula, times by a, which is a, times by a, so apply our a is a, and then times by b, b is 5, our b is 5 here, and then plus b square, so it means 5 square. Now if you simplify this, a square plus 5 times 2 is 10a, and then 5 square means 25, 5 5 is 25. Now this is our special product answer. So if you have a plus b whole square, that's the answer. If we have 2a plus 3b, another example, a little bit more complicated. Now our first term is, in this example, our first term is 2a. Remember, it's not a only, it's 2a. We have 2 digits here now, and then we have 3b, we have 2 numbers here. So our a is, according to the formula, a square. So first is 2a square. and then we have, as you can see, I put a bracket. The reason is we have two units here, a 2 and a. So when we put square, so it means square belongs to both of them. And then we've put 2 times by a, which is here. Our a is 2a in this example, and then our b is second term, which is 3b, and then we have a b squared, which is 3b. According to formula, we have 3b squared. So this is our a in this example, this is our b in this example, this is our 2ab in this example. Now let's simplify this. 2 square is 4, a square is a square. Now you need to times these three numbers. Now 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, and a times b is ab, plus similarly square of 3 is 9, then b square. So if this is how we do. If we have a negative number, let's example of a negative, if we have a, take away 3, if we have 3 and negative, as you can see inside the bracket we have a negative. So according to formula, we have square of the first, whether you write bracket or not doesn't matter because it's one unit, negative 2a times by b. Sorry, b is our b is here, we have 3, and then plus b square. Now as you can see, I have mentioned only negative comes with 2. B square stays positive as previous example. As you can see, only the difference is negative with 2. So let's simplify. A square, negative 6, 3 to the 6a, and then b square. If we have negative, remember we have to put negative with only 2. In other case, if we have a plus b times by a minus b. Now this in this formula, they are not 100% same. The numbers, the terms in the bracket are same, but only difference is sign. This has positive sign, and this has negative sign. Now in this case, when we have exactly terms are similar, so we put the square of first and then square of second. How we did that? Let's take this example and solve it, and then you see if we can get that answer. So take this a and then times with the second bracket. Similarly, take b plus b and times it with the second bracket. A take away b. So that becomes a square negative ab plus ab or ba, take away b square. Now if you can see, that is negative ab, that's positive ab, will cancel each other, and then we are left with a square take away b square, which is the same answer as this one. Now in this example, you don't have to, when we have this formula, you don't have to do all this multiplication. You just have to write the answer of square of the first, square of the second, and in the middle you have negative. Let's take this example. A take away 3, and then a plus 3, a take away 3, and a positive 3. So if we want to remember this answer, so according to this, square of the first, negative square of the second. So simplify that. A square is a, and 3 square is 9, because 3 is a 9. This is how we solve special product